Namaskar friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense. Technology news is Boeing Defence Australia seeks 36AH 64E Apache helicopter maintenance trainees in Townsville. Boeing Defence Australia has launched a recruitment campaign for 36 maintenance engineer apprenticeships and traineeships to support the Australian Army's AH-64E Apache helicopters. The new fleet will be based at RAAF Base Townsville from later this year, with training for successful candidates starting in January 2026. Applicants are not required to have prior aviation or defense experience, with Aviation Australia delivering local training. It's not every day that Townsville job seekers get the opportunity to work on one of the world's most advanced military helicopters, said Amy List, BDA's Boeing Defence Australia Managing Director. Ms. List added, "We encourage anyone seeking an exciting, long-term career at the cutting edge of aerospace to apply. Working on Apaches could be just the beginning of your Boeing career. We maintain a diverse fleet for the Australian Defence Force, including CH-47F Chinooks in Townsville, and FA-18F Super Hornets, and C-17A Globemaster IIIs in southeast Queensland. The positions include 12 Certificate II in Aircraft Line, Maintenance Traineeships, 12 Diploma in Aeroskills, Avionics, Apprenticeships, and 12 Diploma of Aeroskills, Mechanical Apprenticeships. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.